I am Mark. I am Assistant Professor in the Civil Engineering Department. I am working in SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to present topic on case studies on repair and rehabilitation on this particular building. The process carried out is retrofitting. Our ME students are going to take the topic on FRP retrofitting in the building sectors.
Thank you, sir. So today it's going to be a very important topic called the retrofitting. So and we are going to see why it's important and why it's needed with the help of a case study. So retrofitting is nothing but a technique or method which is used to strengthen up a structural member or even a structure. So structural members like columns or beams. So there are also like various methods involved in retrofitting, such as steel jacketing method, shear wall method, and epoxy ejection method, and also FRP wrapping method. So these are some of the methods that are being used in retrofitting, out of which the most traditional method is the steel jacketing method. So in the steel jacketing method, what they exactly do is they encase the affected member, such as a column, completely with steel reinforcements, then they fill with concrete and allow it for curing. So this is the traditional and most widely used method in case of renovation, because it is the most approachable, easy and a simple method. And also a more modern approach to this method would be the FRP method. So FRP wrapping. So FRP stands for fiber reinforced polymer. So FRP sheets are made by mixing of composite materials like carbon and resin. So carbons like fiber and glass are mixed with resins like epoxy or polyester. So that's how the sheets are exactly made. And also this method has been widely used nowadays in many modern large scale to small scale constructions as well. So now we are going to see a real time project. So this has been constructed in E Road, which is a G+5 residential building. So the scenario here is that the construction work has almost been done just before the plastering work is about to be started. So there were like a lot of visible cracks at the bottom of the column and also at the beams as well. So these kind of shear cracks generally occur due to the excessive loading on the structural member, or due to the formation of moisture, or even due to the inadequate reinforcement as well. So in order to avoid these, so initially we are going to have to take the preventive measures such as retrofitting to avoid the structural member from failure. So that's where the retrofitting comes into play. So in this site, what they have done is that they have used the FRP modern method instead of the traditional steel jacketing method. So what they have done is they have injected the cracks completely with the epoxy resin, and they have finely grinded the surface of the column as well, and make sure that the surface is tough enough, so that a rough surface causes a very good bonding between two layers, and over the affected member surface, the epoxy putty has been applied, and on top of that, the FRP wrapping has been done and allowed it for curing. Okay, so this is the procedure that has been done on the this project with the G+5 residential building. So we're going to see how it's going to benefit in the field of construction. So our students are going to explain the benefits on by one.
So what we are going to see is the advantages of now it has some less solid corrosion and it's lightweight. So when you compare a normal steel with FRP, its tensile strength is about 2 to 10 times more than our normal steel. So when it comes to normal steel, its tensile strength is about 400 to 600 megapascal. But when you compare the FRP, its tensile strength is about 2000 to, it's more than 2000 to 4000 megapascal.
When it's compared to steel, it has the load, it can withstand the load very highly.
So hence we can say that FRP, which is a modern method, is more effective compared to the traditional methods. So in retaining the strength of the structural members such as beams or columns. Thank you.
The case studies on the building using the retrofitting process. So they explained very well. So this is our topic lunch. Thank you.
So from this, what we are about to explore is, So when you compare normal steel with FRP, it is so much better than a normal steel for construction purpose because of its high advantages. It's nowadays modern technology is using FRP, so it's really good for